for avoid COVID-19. Hi, I am Mr. Roman Khan. Welcome to my YouTube channel WPS. Today I am going to show a video for you how to your document slimming on WPS Office. So friend, check it out. Dear friends, first check a file for document slimming. This is a file. Now I am trying for check this file size. Check property. Dear viewers, this file size is 6.29 MB. I want to type this file slimming. Please open this file with WPS Spreadsheets. Dear viewers, now click on Cloud. Click on Document Slimming. Check it very carefully. You can able to slimming this file. Just click on Start. If you agree, save this file other backup. Just click on Save. If you agree without slimming, backup without saving. If you agree slimming without saving, just click on here. Now friend, I am trying to slimming without saving. Just click on without saving. There is very short time needed for document slimming. Already work is completed. Just click on finish. Close this file. Don't forget save. Dear viewers, please see this file size 5.55 MB. Viewers, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, share, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget, stay at home for avoid COVID-19. Thank you very much.